video, I'll show you where to find coupon codes for Myntra. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser, go to Google, and inside Google type in coupon offers for Myntra. And now I'm inside the Google search results here. So if we scroll down, you've got these third-party sites offering coupon codes. We got grabon.in, we got Coupons Guru. Keep scrolling down, we've got Desid.me. So any one of these sites will work, just click into it. The one I like to use for this one is a grabon.in. Myntra coupon code 70% plus 15% extra off. So I'm going to click onto the website. So I'm going to click on allow. And now from here, we can check out all the different coupon codes for Myntra. So flat 30% off all your purchases, flat 350 off, sign up offer. So you can have a look at all the different offerings they have. They do change it daily or weekly. So for this one here, I'm going to click on the flat 30% off your purchase. And now what I want to do is click on this code, copy this code, paste this code at the checkout section of Myntra to activate the offer.